Hello darlings, my name is Stephen Davies and I'm the Not by the Hop. Hello darlings, so another side I'm making today is my baked asparagus with lemon salt. So, got a few champagnes as well, by the way. So first of all, zest of the lemon. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to leave this air dry, not just for 10 minutes with some salt. I'm going to use the rest of the lemon as well on the asparagus. So there's the zest, and I'm going to put some Himalayan salt. Pink, my favorite color. So I'm going to leave that dry out a little bit. Then we're going to prep the asparagus, as you know, less woody. It'll naturally break where the asparagus is. So I'm going to roast the asparagus. So I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil over it and stick it in the oven for about 10 minutes at 180 degrees. So I've roasted the asparagus, and now I'm going to sprinkle over the lemon zest with the salt. I'm just going to put that back in the oven just briefly for a couple of minutes. Squeeze a little bit of lemon over it as well. I do it like this just to stop the pips going in, because no one wants a pip, do they? So for dessert, we have a Portuguese delicacy invented by Cristiana. The things you can do with Nutella.